guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aashi Adani and for today's video, we're going to be comparing celebrity-owned restaurants to see if they're actually worth the hype. So let's get started. The first restaurant I visited was Torii in Bandra. So that's my OOTD and we are going to Torii, which is Gauri Khan's restaurant. The restaurant mostly has Asian food, Japanese food, sushi, dim sum, sort of a vibe. I really like it, don't mind it at all. So I'm actually excited and I'm going with friends of mine who love Asian food. So they will be amazing judges with me. The decor and the ambience also screams that. Even the bathroom had really pretty decor. And it was quite dark and candlelit, so it gave a very nice romantic setup. And they had enough and more options for vegetarian and non-vegetarian. We had the avocado and cucumber maki roll and also the asparagus tempura maki roll. Both I would give a 7 on 10. Next I had the crystal mushy gyoza and again it was very average. We also had the mushroom truffle ramen which I was very excited about and here are the ratings for it. It rated out of 10.
8.
Nice. How much would you rate it, Jenna?
6.5.
I agree. And for mains, we had burnt garlic rice and market vegetables, which again, I don't think it was anything more than a 6.5. And for dessert, we had caramel pudding. Again, I did not like it.
Too sweet. It's too thick.
We also had a couple of different mocktails and I got the biggest shock when I got the bill in my hand. It was 12,000 rupees for 3 people, which was unbelievable for food that was not even good. And the place was pretty, but it was not mind-blowing, so definitely not worth it even for a one-time visit. Next, we went to 18 Commune Juhu, which is Virat Kohli's restaurant. They do a multi-cuisine thing and I have been there a couple of times before for a night party and it's a huge place, so they have an amazing partying scene. So we obviously had to try Virat's favorite foods there. First was the avocado tartare. Something I'd never had before, but it was so good, guys, like a 9 on 10. And his second favorite is the mushroom googly dim sums. And I was blown away with how yummy it is. I would give it like a 10,000 on 10. It had me dancing at the table. Then my friend really wanted to try the turnip cake. I did not like it. It was my first time having it, but she said it was really good.
Very nice.
Yeah? I would give it a 6 on 10. And if you don't know already, I'm obsessed with pav bhaji and they had a pull apart pav bhaji which I had to try. However, I was quite disappointed. It was a 6 on 10. It wasn't very strong on the flavor of bhaji. And lastly, we had their love struck dessert which was a 10 on 10 on presentation and taste.
It's so nice. It's actually nice. Moozy.
I forgot to take a bill of the video, but it was about 5,000 rupees, which I find much better compared to Torii because at least the food here was much better. The ambience was so pretty and yeah, really liked it. Next, we had Neuma in Colaba by Karan Johar. It's in Colaba and it's so close to my house that I've made 50 plans to go there, but somehow it has never worked out. We're finally going there. Although I tried to look up Karan's favorite food over there, so I was reading some articles and I was also trying to find videos, but there are surprisingly no videos or articles about his favorite food there, which I find very surprising. But I'll continue hunting. But the restaurant actually does Mediterranean, continental, Asian, Japanese, so I don't even know what the specialty is over there, but I'm really hungry, so I hope I'm able to stuff myself. The place was really rustic. I loved the decor. The staff was very polite, surprisingly polite, and they actually let us walk around the restaurant because it was quite khali. So we had a walk around. They were explaining the decor to us and everything. It was really cute. Coming to the food, we had the crisp baby potatoes. They were a 10 on 10. Really liked it. Very yummy. And we also had a pull apart cream cheese bun, again 10 on 10, very yummy. It also came with a rocket leaf salad. Even that was so delicious that we ended up finishing it. And lastly, we had the avocado toast. I don't know what went wrong with it. It was not very good, so like a 6 on 10. On to the mains, we had their homemade truffle capellini, which was really nice. Like, it was a little salty for my friends, but I thought it was really good, so I would give it a good 10 on 10. And lastly, we had the cherry tomato and garlic pizza. I was not a fan of it, but my friends really liked it, so I'll give it a 6 on 10. The bill was about 6,000 rupees, which is the cheapest one so far because it's 2,000 per person, and definitely much better vibe, much better music, much better food. So actually it is my favorite restaurant in this video. And lastly, I had to go to Bastian at the top by Shilpa Shetty. Guys, the meal was one thing, but I actually have so much that went behind just trying to get a reservation at that restaurant. I had to call them for about 5 hours. I was always put on hold. I never got through to the caller people, and then I was tired, so I made my friend try. She also had to try for a couple of hours before she actually got through. For your reservation, you're supposed to pay a 2k deposit per person. We were 3 people, so we wanted a table for 3, which they said is sold out, so we needed to buy a table of 4, which is why 3 people had to pay a deposit of 8k to be able to enter the restaurant. And on top of that, each table is only given to you for a time slot of 2 hours. That's it. You cannot sit beyond that. I was already quite irritated because I'm like, firstly, I'm paying quite a big amount to have brunch with my friends. On top of that, there's so much nakhra from the restaurant, but I'm like, you know what, screw it, I want to do the video, I'll just go. The restaurant though is huge, the decor is amazing, it was very filled and packed, and the music was the best, you guys. Like, I've got a really nice brunch energy from the place. It was amazing. And I was worried about the portion size and veg options, but both of those things were pretty good actually. We started with some truffle fries and they were delicious, you guys, like a solid 10 on 10. My friend who loves matcha and has it every single day did not like it at all.
You know, when they said matcha tastes like grass before this.
I had some fresh orange juice, which was obviously normal, and my friend had Vietnamese coffee, which was like the best beverage on the table, super yummy. I again wanted to have avocado toast, but I was disappointed again. It was a 6 on 10. We also called for veg nachos, which I loved quite a bit. A generous serving, and it was really yummy. My friend also had eggs Benedict, and she seemed very happy with it. We called for some Mongolian noodles, which were spicy, but there was no strong, distinct flavor. It didn't taste very good. It was a 4 on 10. And lastly, we had to have their specialty, which is the pull-apart cake. And it's viral for all the right reasons. It tastes really good. It was a 9 on 10. The bill ended up being 7,600, but we had already paid an 8k deposit, which was non-refundable. So they gave me a Coke can for 250 rupees. Also, when we had 40 minutes remaining out of our 2-hour slot, the waiter came to me because we still hadn't ordered mains, and he's like, ma'am, would you like to have mains or desserts? And I was like, why? And he's like, you know, the time slot, we already have the other party waiting. And I was like, but we have 40 minutes remaining. And he's like, yeah, but just like in case you want to order. The staff was also not very like responsive. Like, you had to wait for a while before one of them actually came to you, and I was just like, fine, whatever. Overall, not my best experience. It was very expensive, and I mean, getting a reservation should not be this difficult. If you're getting so many calls, hire more people, come on. Anyway, that's about it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, then please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know which restaurant you're interested in going. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.